Hi, my name is Rebecca Andrews, and today I'm going to be modeling my activity for movement in mathematics. The students are going to be given several shapes, one assigned to each student, and then they're also going to be given a sequence of patterns. So the students will go into their corresponding lines. There can be a square line, a triangle line, and a circle line. And depending on what patterns are going to be introduced, the students are going to go and enter that pattern and join their classmates to complete this pattern. The pattern can be anything along the lines of circle, circle, triangle, triangle, square, triangle, square. The movements can be demonstrated as follows. The students can either make a triangle, they can make a circle, or they can make a square. Depending on the movements and the patterns presented, the students will be given shapes to be able to complete this pattern, and one by one the students will join their peers at the front of the classroom until all of the students have been able to participate in the activity.